Don't you hate it when you order a burger and expect this, but get this? That's not a burger. I just fucked that up. That's a burger. If you're eating koala burgers, that's illegal. But so toasty. To make burgers of any description, we need some meat. Since we're making Aussie smashburgers, I'm sure you can guess what this meat is. Responsibly sourced from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. And already rolled into 110 gram balls by the best ball wrangler out there. That would be Silvana out at Gippsland Premium Meats. Word is, she told me she has a secret way of keeping the balls moist. Smut, smut, smut. I still have no idea what that tray of mystery meat is. Maybe Kanga Platypus koala burgers. And that is how this super tasty sauce is made. Oh, were you asleep while we made it? Here's a recap for you. We'll need a few more ingredients to make these Aussie smash burgers, like some dead horse, or sauce for you people over the pond. Add about 1/3 of a cup of your desired dead horse into a bowl. Follow this up with the same amount of yellow mustard, preferably American. Now don't go and ruin this by adding some fancy full grain hippie infused sandal wearing mustard. Also add in 2 tablespoons of gherkin relish. Now, I don't want to hear about it if you do like it or if you don't like it. Just add it and pop it in your mouth, swallow it, smile and pretend to like it.
That's what she said.
Now just stir this up until you've mixed all the ingredients to create the tastiest burger sauce. You'll also need some high melt cheese. I'll be using these burger slices. Rolls come in handy for making burgers, so I'll grab some. If you didn't know, smash burgers were invented back in the Stone Age because they had to cook for themselves. They didn't have food trucks they could go to and buy food from. It's true. Today, we need a flat top grill, charcoal, cast iron pan, or a gas grill. It doesn't matter as long as it's flat. All you've got to do is turn on the liquid charcoal and let it get hot. Carefully put the grill back in. Now, we want that hot, so don't get all itchy fingered and start throwing food on a cold grill. Wait. And when I say wait, give it about 10 minutes. Then it should be hot enough. If you don't want to use a gas barbecue, don't use one. But we don't want to read about it in the comments. There seems to be a constant battle about whether you should toast your bun or not. I say do as you please, just don't cremate the buns. A light toasting to bring out the Maillard reaction is all that's needed. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that help create melanoidins. That is the compound that helps give brown food its distinctive flavour. Now, cooking time for this recipe will be 5 minutes. Or, those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Cheers. The grill is hot, so we can add some oil to lubricate your meat. Place the koala burger patties on the grill. I mean the smash burger patties. Add a good pinch of kosher salt for seasoning. Give it a bit more. And then just smash them down with your burger press. I like to use a bit of baking paper. It just saves me cleaning my press. Give them a double smash. Now, once you see fluid forming on the top, that's a sign it's time to flip them. Let's try and flip them properly. There we go. And add our cheese. And that's a thick slice. Now once the cheese is melted, it's time to double stack them and get them off the grill. Now, I controlled myself from saying, throw another shrimp on the barbie. If you don't own a burger smasher, use your head. Not literally. Use a large spatula or a small saucepan. Or your head. That actually would be pretty funny. Building an Aussie smash burger time is here. Toasted bun. Sauce me up. Double stack me. Don't be shy. More sauce, please. Give me a hat and we're ready to party. Oh, you still don't know what meat we used. I had it written down here somewhere. Well, that's enough chit chat. It's time to dig in. Yum. Oh, and this Aussie smash burger was made with all Australian beef. That's right, a 50-50 mix of coarsely ground, brisket and chuck.